Just want to let you guys know, your discretion is advised. There's some swearing. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Welcome back to the shop. So if you saw our most recent Instagram post, I put out a feeler asking who wants to go for a ride along in the Acadian. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with the Acadian, let's go over it. 1966 Acadian console. It's got a Gen 2 LT1, 383 cubic inches, 20-year-old F1A Pro Charger, Church Boys modular front clip. This, everyone always asks me what the little radiator is, so it's got a watered air intercooler, and this is just a heat exchanger. Moves the water around, tries to help keep things cool. Unfortunately, it does not work as great as I had hoped, but that's okay. It does the trick, and it's a lot of fun on the street. As far as the back end of the car, very simple. Steel gas tank, stock steel gas tank. 9-inch sliders, Caltrac bars. In the inside of the car, once again, equally as simple. Factory steering wheel, it's got a tack, it's got a Holly dash in the corner, shifter, radio that doesn't work, my personal favorite, bench seat, lap belts. Honestly, that's the car. It's that simple. Runs on pump 85. You guys are in the US, then surprise, surprise. We don't have pump 85 in Canada, so I burnt like 300 liters of this already in the past 3 weeks, and it's the Lord's juice, man. You guys got it so good. You guys don't realize how nice it is to just be able to go to the pump and grab the best fuel known to man. So our ride along guy is here. Britton, introduce yourself.
I'm Britton. I own a 66 Nova, so
It's actually parked on the street.
it's kind of cool.
We'll show it after.
Needs a wash.
We'll show it after.
So you're asking how fast I've been?
Yeah, so how fast have you been? Like, what's the fastest car you think you've been in? Horsepower wise.
It was a buddy's Cobalt SS back in the day. I think it was about 400 horsepower. We went on Mexico, obviously.
Thankfully, Mexico's really close to Canada, so
yeah,
it's
exactly.
fine. 400 horsepower Cobalt. So I was going over it. The Acadian makes about 680, 700 wheels,
Yeah.
so this should be a
Oh yeah,
bit of a
that's gonna be
different
a
car
rowdy
for
time.
you. So, and not to mention lap belts, bench seat. We die like men. So, and of course, my neighbor's cutting grass.
Yeah. No
All right.
bags.
So we'll get in the car and we'll go for a ride.
Yeah, sounds good.
You ready, man?
Yes, sir.
So you're gonna hear a little bit of rattles. Those rattles will go away. You're gonna probably hear an alternator belt squeal.
Oh, that's fine.
It'll go away.
That's all car things.
Yeah. He's okay. She doesn't love it. Especially coming home at like 2 o'clock in the morning. Every time I come home, I check the neighborhood watch page, the community page, to see if someone's like, who's that fucking guy ripping around? You're gonna go home and start looking up superchargers on Marketplace.
Yeah, I'm gonna fucking drop my engine in and be like, it's no fun.
I'll go like 40% throttle, okay? So on the dash, that was 35%.
That's insane. So when does this ever see 100% just on the track?
I don't know. We'll see it.
Oh my
We were gonna stop at the park, but it was absolutely packed.
god. Yeah.
So
lot of
first
people there.
first drive. So first things first, what would you change about the car? Any one thing. Make it louder, make it quieter, make it ride better.
2 more doors.
I feel like I'm with Connor. We got to go over his car when we get back. So he's got a 4-door 66 Nova, and everything will make sense. Honestly, I'd love to fix this gap, but that's okay.
No, it's sick. It's sick. It's fast. It's comfy. Very streetable.
It's not bad. It gets hot, but I got. This is why you guys can't run a 26-inch tall tire either on a Nova. Rubs the fenders, but that's okay.
That's what I mean. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if there was one thing you could change about your car, what would you do?
motor I'm putting in it.
The motor you're putting in it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's small block 400. It's gonna be fun.
This is just gonna be first gear, first to second, but it's not gonna pull. It's just gonna smoke the tire. Okay. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
It's good, right?
That's fucking insane. Holy shit. Holy fuck, dude. That is wild. Was that hammered on it?
Oh yeah.
Oh
That was first
God.
straight to second.
Oh.
Ready?
Holy shit.
It goes pretty good once it's rolling already.
Damn, yeah. Fuck, and it doesn't want to stop. What was that for throttle?
That was all of it.
That was all of it. That's gonna be such a slow ride home in my car. Wow. Thank you, sir.
No worries, man. I smell lots of rubber.
Yeah. So do I.
You got your first full pull,
Yeah.
700 wheel.
Yeah.
And
That was a lot. That
So-
thing's scary.
did it live? Did it feel like 700, or were you like, oh, it's fast, but
No, yeah, I felt like right about what I'd expect
Yeah.
from 700.
Yeah.
Like, puts you back, keeps you back.
and it pulls nice. Like
Oh yeah.
this thing doesn't drive around. It just once
No.
it starts going, you feel it move, but it just
Yeah,
digs.
it feels like just dead straight, like not sketchy at all. It's really nice.
It's not sketchy at all. It's just a
No,
6-year-old car with
exactly.
lap belts and bench.
Yeah,
bench
not
seat.
sketchy at
It's
all.
not sketchy at all. So I think before we end the video, though, you got a 4-door Nova parked in the street. I want to check
Oh,
it
it's
out.
so dirty. Okay.
All right, man. Give us the rundown. 4-door
Alright.
66.
Yeah, 4-door 66. I bought it from a couple guys in Ontario that didn't have a fucking hot clue about the car. They thought there was a 350 in there with a 350 tranny, and it's a 305 700 R4.
Did you dirty?
Yeah.
That was a 350.
Drove it home most of the way from Ontario until it ended up on a trailer for some unknown issues until we figured that out.
And so your first drive in this thing would have been like 1,800 kilometers.
Yeah. Yeah, it was ridiculous. It's stupid.
So it wasn't just like it drove home
no,
and ended up on a trailer. Like, it
And
was
that was the funny thing. I picked it up from them like, oh yeah, we're driving it back to Winnipeg. Then they were very shocked. They were very surprised.
Like,
They
"Good
knew
luck."
I wasn't gonna make it. They knew it was coming home on a trailer, but Eagle Alloy 203s, the missing center caps because I hit a pothole and lost one. So got those on order from eBay.
What's the inside look like? I still haven't even seen the inside of this car.
Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, let me-
What kind of neighborhood do you think I live in, Matt? Locking the doors.
I don't know. I live in a bad one. Force of habit.
Okay, we got the monster tap. We got a shifter.
Yeah.
Sweet. We'll be doing the ride along in this car next. Stereo on.
Yeah, I got the stereo, the custom faceplate.
You guys remember when you'd have to take the
Surprised.
faceplate off and you go shopping so nobody break in your car and steal it? That's cool, man. You got a system in the trunk or what?
No, God, no. No.
6x9s?
The back doors.
Nice.
Those are my favorite
Back
parts.
doors. No panties back there.
Yeah, no, not anymore. It's a fun driver. Turns heads.
And you drive it. That's the
Oh
most
yeah.
important part.
Oh yeah. A couple weeks ago, I took it to work every day of the week.
There you go.
Yeah, CRV was down, so.
CRV was
Yeah,
down. Holy
good old
crap.
reliable Chevy.
Yeah.
Outliving the Honda.
And you said you're building a motor for it next?
Yeah, building a small block 400, bored out to 408, all new parts, everything,
Sweet.
built from competition engine. Yeah, that should be going in it hopefully next summer. Just a lot of prep to do for the motor.
Of course,
So
yeah.
make sure I'm not breaking anything, twisting anything.
This thing needs a blower on it.
After experiencing that one, I don't know if 400 horsepower is gonna do it.
Oh, that's pretty cool, though, man.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming along.
Oh, dude, thank you very much. That was
course.
a blast. That
course.
was an absolute riot.
So if you guys want more of these videos, give a thumbs up, do something.
Yeah, show the
Watch
channel
the
some
video.
love.
Yeah, come on, guys. And maybe we'll do another one. And maybe we'll get him back in a
Gladly.
nice little tank top.
Something sexy.
Yeah. Not bad, not bad. All right, guys, but anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you on the next one.